Hello, you guys. Welcome to Talessia's Kitchen. In this edition of Cooking with Talessia, I want to make a buffalo chicken dip. I've been having a taste for this lately, so I'm like, come on, let me just show you guys how to make it. Now, a lot of people, I have used canned chicken that you can just buy already in a can. That's perfectly fine. If not, you can boil you some chicken, or I had some leftover chicken that I had baked the other day. I had saved it for this, as you can see right here. We need tobacco sauce, hot sauce, sour cream, Philadelphia cream cheese, a mixed shredded cheese. I was looking for pepper jack shredded cheese, but I couldn't find it, so I'm going to just use the slices. And whatever you would like to dip yours in. I like both Doritos, and you can't go wrong with having a scoop. So, if you had regular can that's already in a can, that's fine. You mix it. But if you had a regular chicken breast, you can just boil it till it's already done. So, I have this. Like I said, it was already done. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put this in a pot and I'm going to boil it some more to loosen it back up. Then I'm going to bring it back. Then I'm going to show you everything from there. Put this in a pot. Put this on the stove. Boil it. But if you had raw chicken, just boil it till it's all the way cooked done till it's shredded apart. We'll see when you come back. Okay, our chicken is done. I put it in a skillet, so that's what you want to do after you boil it in a pot or whatever. You want to put it in a skillet. And I have my oven on I have my oven on 375 ready to go, but I'm going to go ahead and break down this chicken. You see how it's breaking down? Because that's how you know your chicken is all the way ready. So just go ahead and break this chicken down. Now, since mine is already seasoned, you can season it some more, but you really don't have to. The more you break it down, the finer it'll be. You don't really want big chunks. You have this on low. Because basically what all you're doing now is just melting everything. So you go ahead and put in 1 pack of cream cheese. Go ahead and mix your your Philadelphia cream cheese. Probably like a half a cup of sour cream. Not even a half, but a little like a half. I would say a half a cup of regular hot sauce. Not a half a cup, like 3/4. Then we're going to add in our tobacco sauce. Now I'll say about 10 handshakes of this. Whatever that amount to. And I'm going to add me a little bit more hot sauce. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to add the rest of that hot sauce. Because remember, this is buffalo chicken dip. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the 3 slices of, I'm just going to put 3 slices of the pepper jack cheese. I chose pepper jack cheese because, it's kind of hot and it go good with a buffalo chicken. Now you can taste this to see how hot that you want it. That's totally up to you. on with a little bit more buffalo sauce. Tobacco. I'm gonna add me some more hot sauce because I tasted mine and I like mine a little bit more spicy. So you can actually add the hot sauce and tobacco sauce on it as much as you like to your tasting. Like I said, I like mine a little hot. So we can go ahead and turn this off. And we're gonna just put like a handful of regular cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I'm gonna put in 2 handfuls of cheese. Okay, this is ready. I got me a little dish that I'm just going to transfer this in because I'm going to put this in the oven. So now I'm just going to sprinkle some more cheese just up on the top. Just like that. We're going to put this in the oven until this get crispy brown for about 10-15 minutes. And then we'll be back. Well, we are back and it is finished. Let me just show you how it looked. I don't know how you made it. This is how it'll come out. Now, I eat mine with Doritos, but you can use these either or, it doesn't matter. And you just spread it on your... It was really good. Let me know how you make your buffalo chicken dip, the ingredients you use. Or if you tried mine, let me know how you like it. But thanks for tuning in for this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen. And let me know about my, I'm stuck. Like, I don't even know what I'm thinking about. My buffalo chicken dip. Thank you all. Y'all have a blessed day.